Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a luxurious vitamin E night cream. Crafting your own skincare allows you to use natural ingredients, avoiding harsh chemicals found in many store-bought products. This homemade cream offers deep hydration, helps combat signs of aging, and protects your skin from environmental stressors. You'll love how it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, leaving you with a radiant, healthy glow each morning. To begin, let's gather our simple yet powerful ingredients. You'll need 3 tablespoons of cocoa butter, which is a fantastic moisturizer, and 4 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil for its hydrating qualities. The star ingredient is 1 teaspoon of pure vitamin E oil, packed with antioxidants. For a lovely scent and added benefits, consider adding 3 to 4 drops of an essential oil like lavender. Now for the easy preparation steps. First, gently melt the cocoa butter and coconut oil together in a double boiler, stirring until they are completely combined. Once melted, take the mixture off the heat and allow it to cool for approximately 5 minutes. Next, stir in your 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil and any essential oils you've chosen. Finally, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. After chilling, remove the mixture and whisk it vigorously until it transforms into a light, fluffy cream. For an even smoother consistency, refrigerate it for another 30 minutes, then whisk it once more. Store your finished night cream in a small, airtight glass jar. Apply a pea-sized amount to your clean face and neck every night before bed. This fresh cream is best used within 2 to 3 months for optimal benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.